back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my top deep conditioner for this year. Now I have two deep conditioners that I truly love, but I already talked about one before, so I'm talking about this one, and it's from Camille. So if you haven't tried their Algae Renew deep conditioning mask, I don't know what you're missing, okay? And I know this has been out for a long time, and I know it's 2021, but I'm pretty sure there are tons of people out there who have never tried this out. So hopefully you see this video and you give this mask a try. It is amazing, okay? First of all, it smells like cake batter. And this is what it looks like. It's thick, creamy. As you can see, it doesn't fall out. It's thick, creamy, and it works amazing. My hair is fine, and I normally like a looser consistency hair product. So like my Yellow Organics Bantu mint deep conditioner, that protein, whatever, I can't think of the name, but that one was one of my top favorite deep conditioners because it works so well on my hair, and plus it gives the protein that my hair needs as well as the moisture. But for this year, this is my focus. I am literally just using Camille products. I had bought a bunch of products during their Black Friday sale. It took almost 2 months to get it, but I did finally get my products. And this deep conditioner right here is amazing. It makes my hair so soft. Okay, it helps to strengthen my hair. And I just did a video where I showed you guys my 2-step pre-poo treatment, and I use this as part of that pre-poo treatment. So if you want to check that out, I will link it, try to link it up above. If not, it'll be in the description box, and you can check that out, and you can see how soft it made my hair. It made my hair super soft. This product is amazing. Again, it smells like cake batter. It helps to strengthen your hair. It adds the moisture to your hair. It softens your hair. It makes your hair easy to detangle. That is like the key. A deep conditioner, a lot of times like hair masks and things like that, they may not really do much when it comes to softening the hair. They're more so for like treating your hair. If your hair is you know, needs protein, if your hair needs moisture, strength, whatever the case is, a lot of times deep conditioners are just really meant to repair the hair. But this not only does that, it softens the hair. It makes it easy to manage, which is why I love this product. So if you haven't tried this, and I know there are people out there who haven't, if you haven't tried this, get your hands on this. It does cost $20, but it is so worth every penny. This is an 8-ounce, and I can probably, this will probably last me. I do my hair 2 times a month. So I will say that I could probably get anywhere between 4 to 6 months out of this one. Okay, 4 to 6 months. So depending on how much I use, because a lot of times we use too much product. So depending on how much I use, and depending on if I section my hair. If I don't section my hair, I will use more than I need. But when my hair is sectioned, I use the recommended amount that my hair needs, and this can probably stretch to about 6 months. So that just goes to show you $20 is not a lot, especially when you're getting a lot of product, and you know, a little goes a long way. So for those of you out there who have used this product before, let me know in the comments your thoughts on it. I know you guys all love it. I'm pretty sure there are a few people out there who's like, oh, I hated that product, but let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.